Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Audi A1 S-Line Competition Sportback on a 22 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off firstly inside the boot space of the car. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see that we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see the alloy wheels firstly are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, and then moving right, the rev counter, the speedometer, and the fuel gauge. We have a digital readout for the speedometer within the speedometer itself, and within the rev counter, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We are in park at the moment. In the center, we have various bits of trip computer information, beneath which you can see the total miles for this car. They are only 8,497. So the information displayed in that middle section can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu at the moment. There are other menus available to you, including having your satellite navigation displayed here, and that is all accessed via these buttons over here. If I press the view button, you can also change the layout of the dials. So as you can see there, the satellite navigation is now taking up most of that screen. On the right hand side, we have our phone and stereo controls. We have cruise control and speed limiter underneath here to the left, and then into the center, the touchscreen for the car. We're on the home screen at the moment, where you can access, amongst other things, your audio menu. And you'll see there that we've got DAB, FM and AM radio. You can listen to your own music in this car as well. For example, you could stream it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you paired up your phone, which is done under the phone heading there. We have satellite navigation in this car, which, as you've seen, can be displayed within that main screen and also over on this side as well. You can swipe through to the kind of different view of the main menu, essentially, where you can access your radio, your media, so you can listen to your own music, you can pair your telephone, you can get into your satellite navigation menu from there, as you can see. And then along the bottom, we have a phone apps menu. So this car's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available once you've paired your phone. Working our way down from that, we've got the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. You can turn your air conditioning on. It's on when that light shows. Same button will turn it off again, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here. We've got our heated rear screen as well. Beneath that, we can turn off the stop and start. We can turn off the traction control. We can change the driving setup of the car. So if I press that button, you can see the different driving modes available to you just there. We have 2 USB-C inputs and a 12-volt socket underneath there, so plenty of different ways to charge and connect up devices. Loads of storage space, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then your volume for the stereo there as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.